guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am really excited about today's video because I am finally doing another fashion and styling video, which I haven't done one of these in literally so long. I kind of went on like a sewing rampage because there were just like so many projects that I wanted to make all of a sudden. So today I thought we would kind of change up the pace a little bit and do another styling video. And this one I think is going to be really fun because I'm going to be putting together fall outfits based on your guys' suggestions. So on my Instagram a few weeks ago, I put like a little questionnaire thingy asking you guys for fall themes and scenarios that you guys wanted to see me put an outfit together based off of. And I got a lot of really fun responses. So I put together all the outfits yesterday and I'm obsessed with all of them. I think they're really cool. And honestly, I used to really struggle with fall fashion, but this time I had so much fun putting these all together and I think they turned out really cool. So I can't wait to show you guys all of them. But before we get to trying them on, I do want to take a minute and talk about today's sponsor, Thredup. And I am super excited to be partnering with Thredup because Thredup is a huge online thrift store with over 40,000 different brands to shop and choose from, and they're literally getting new arrivals every single day. And they sell clothing, shoes, accessory, handbags, all up to 90% off of their estimated retail price. And I'm so excited to be partnering with Thredup because one of my big goals for this year was to really shop more sustainably and really pay more attention to what I'm actually buying, because for a long time I didn't realize how terrible fast fashion is. And so this year I've been doing way more thrifting and making my own clothes, and I honestly haven't bought fast fashion in a long time and it feels so good. And that's why I was so happy to be partnering with Thredup, because that is their exact goal too. And so shopping on Thredup, I knew I could look for all of those cool trendy fall pieces without having to support fast fashion brands. And so Thredup was a huge win-win for me because I get to look super cute while also not supporting fast fashion brands and keeping clothes out of landfills, and also for a really affordable price. And I just feel really great about that. And I even have a promo code for you guys, so if you use my code ALLIE, you will get 30% off of your first order on Thredup. And now it is time to show you guys all these cute outfits. Okay, I think I'm going to start us off with the most suggested fall activity, going to a pumpkin patch. I really like this outfit because honestly, all fall long, I'm really just trying to figure out how to rewear my summer and spring pieces. So this skirt, although it is a really floral pattern, I think it works really nicely with this kind of more muted top to work as a fall piece. And then if I also throw on this little cardigan, I look so ready to go do some cute little fall activities. It's so cute. And I've been obsessed with cropped cardigans for a while now. So I was just obsessed when I found this one on Thredup. And the brand of this cardigan is Firenze. And the estimated retail price for it was $71. And you guys, I got it for $22.99 on Thredup. Alright, on to theme number 2. The theme for this outfit I was kind of obsessed with when it was suggested, and it is flying a kite. I really love this more fitted skirt with the oversized cardigan over top of it because mix matching these silhouettes is what helps these go so well together. I think one of the really important things about fall is just figuring out how to rewear a bunch of the pieces you already have, because simply just layering a cardigan on top already makes this a really fall outfit. And then I also paired with it these super chunky sneakers that I got recently, and I was absolutely obsessed when I found these sneakers, because I know that the really chunky sneaker trend was in a year or two ago, and you guys know how I'm always late to trends, but I still love them, so I'm really happy about them. And this dress is another one that I got off of Thredup, and the brand was Nasty Gal, and the estimated retail price was $60, and I again got it for only $22.99. This outfit is my coffee shop day outfit. And I really liked this one because normally I have a hard time wearing dark colors just because I'm really somebody who leans more towards color. But because this has so many girly, frilly aspects to it, I really love this outfit. The whole silhouette is very feminine, and then throwing on these sneakers I think kind of balances out that aesthetic to make it very casual at the same time. And also these big frilly sleeves and this lace top make this whole outfit just still very me while still also having those dark tones. And one of my favorite trends that I've been seeing a lot lately has been layering summer tops over knits or even lingerie over knits. I just think it's so cool, and it's such an awesome way to reuse those pieces for fall. And then also, if it is a rainy afternoon in the coffee shop, I really love throwing on this coat with this outfit. And I am honestly so obsessed with this coat because again, it's a really dark color, but if you look closely, it actually has a really cute polka dot texturing to it. So it just makes it a little bit more fun and girly, while also still being very functional and fall appropriate, which I appreciate. Not only is this black shirt from Thredup, but this coat is also from Thredup. And so the black shirt is from Zara, and its estimated retail price was $46 and I got it for only $16.99. And then this coat was from Relativity and it was estimated to be $60 and I got it for $25.99. Okay, I love all of these outfits a lot. This one is definitely in my top 3 at least. This is the outfit I would wear walking into town from college for lunch. And honestly, I just feel really cool in this outfit. I feel like this is a really great mix between like my really dainty floral aesthetic mixed with a like cool fall side. And I've honestly never really worn anything like this, especially with these boots. But I feel really cool in this outfit. And again, I matched these kind of beige tones in the shirt with the dress. And I also wore these little socks with the boots to tie it all in. And then also if I throw on this jacket, like don't I just look so cool? Like I feel like a total boss in this look. Next up is my apple picking outfit. And honestly, kind of obsessed. This little like red sweater with the red overalls with the little red heels, like she's feeling cute. I honestly love color coordination so much and I feel like this outfit does it in a very nice way where it's not like overpowering, but it is definitely still there. And then also let me just throw on this little purse with it, like I'm feeling real cute here. I'm honestly still not past the socks and heels trend, as you can obviously see. I still think it's a really fun way to switch up your heels and obviously make them a lot more fall appropriate. And then if it gets chilly while you're apple picking, I also have this super fuzzy jacket to throw on top. It's so soft, you guys. It is so soft. And honestly, this jacket like kind of swallows me up, but I really like it. I think it's a really fun piece. But also I am filming this when it is still 90 degrees out and I am very warm right now. And again, this jacket is from ThredUp and so is this sweater underneath. And this jacket was originally from Zara and its estimated retail price was $90 and I got it for $32.99. And then this sweater is also from Zara and its estimated retail price was $46 and I got this one for $23.99. This outfit is my picnicking in the park outfit. And I was so obsessed when I put this together because this dress is my like favorite summer dress and just by simply putting this sweater over it, it totally changes the vibe. And it just makes it feel like a really long skirt. And I did go for this pink on pink action. I was scared it's going to be like too much, but I'm actually a really big fan of it. Like the colors themselves are very summer and spring, but because of the super chunky knit, it works really well for fall. And then again, I just paired it with my sneakers to kind of tone it down and not make it too like girly or fancy. And honestly, I am so ready for a picnic right now. I feel like at this point I should really just buy one of those like big stereotypical picnic baskets and just start keeping it in my car or something. I just feel like that would be like really on brand for me at this point. Okay, as you guys probably know, this is not my typical style, but I feel so cool in this. I love this outfit so much. This is my going to a museum outfit. I don't know why. This is the coolest I've ever felt in an outfit. Like this outfit feels so edgy but so girly all at the same time. And I love wearing these boots. Like something about this, like I just feel really powerful in. And also these polka dot tights are just the cutest. And this top is another one that I got from ThredUp. And the brand was Shein and the original price was $30 and I got it for $13.99. And again, we could throw on the same coat from earlier. Like it's just so not like me, but I love it so much. Like I think I'm gonna try to force myself to wear this out because the vibes here are just good. And now sticking with the same top, I'm going to switch out a few of the pieces for my first day back at university outfit. And for this one, I am definitely channeling those light academia vibes. And although this outfit has similar aspects to the last one did, this outfit feels very different to me because I layered the dress on top this time. So it's really just these sleeves that are showing. So the little plaid here makes it a very academia look. And I switched out my boots for, again, a heels and socks combo. And this one does feel a little bit more my style, but I really liked both of these outfits. And again, although this is a total summer dress, pairing it with these kind of darker aspects really tone it down and make it wearable for fall again. The next outfit is my going to a fair outfit. And for this one, I wanted to do something really casual but still really cute. So I decided to take this mid-length skirt and I just put one of my oversized grandma cardigans on top of it. And honestly, I used to not like wearing things that were like long on top of skirts. I used to not really like how it looks. But with this one, for some reason, I think it's kind of the way it curves down like this. I actually really like this pairing and I think it's really flattering. And then again, I put on some more sneakers to make it really casual. And I also grabbed one of my really long purses. And honestly, I don't know if I've ever like been to a proper fair, but this theme made me realize I really want to go to one. So maybe I'll try to find one this year. And now I have the outfit for it too. So I think I'm ready. This outfit is my look for studying in the library all day. And I wanted something cute but still really comfortable for studying. So I paired this cropped cardigan with this really cute skirt, And I really like the design of this skirt. It's like really fitted and it has this cute little flare. So again, it creates a really nice silhouette with a more chunky sweater. And then to go with the chunky sweater, I paired it with my very chunky shoes. And to bring out some of the green of the skirt, I used my green backpack with it. And then I also really like pairing this outfit with my denim jacket. This feels very like cute and casual, but like also on the run. And I'm kind of in love with the whole silhouette of it. And to give me a little bit more shape with this sweater, I just tucked it up a little bit so it accentuates my waist a little bit more. And I am just a very big fan of this outfit. And this sweater is from Garage, and I also got it from ThredUp, and it was estimated to be $36, and I got it for $7.99. And seriously, it is so soft. And this skirt is actually also from ThredUp, and the brand of the skirt is Karen Forbes, and it was estimated to be $54, and through ThredUp it was also $7.99. Okay, I think the theme for this one was my favorite one that was suggested, and it was going to a pond to feed ducks. I just love ducks, and like whoever suggested that one, thank you. I really like this outfit because individually all the pieces styled here are very much so spring pieces, but somehow all together with the layering, it turns this into a fall appropriate outfit. And I paired this little strappy top over this long sleeve top, and I just pulled it so you wouldn't see the neckline. And I honestly kind of feel like a little like fall fairy or something in this. I think it's a skirt. This skirt always makes me feel like a fairy. And who would have guessed it that this top is again from ThredUp? It's originally from Princess Polly, and it was estimated to be $36, and I got it for $19.99. Oh, and I also just remembered that the person who suggested this theme wanted me to clarify that we are feeding ducks peas, not bread. Bread isn't good for them. Don't feed them bread. This next outfit is my bookstore trip look, and I just really like this outfit. I mean, like, I love me a good wide leg pant with a little crop top, and then I also paired it with my thinner sneakers, and then I can also grab a little tote bag for all my books. Like, again, I just feel very cool and fresh in this outfit. And honestly, these pieces are all really simple by themselves, but together I feel like it's really effective at creating a cohesive look. And honestly, I kind of forgot that I love these pants so much. Like, I kind of forgot they existed for a hot minute. So I think I'm gonna have to start wearing this look. And also when I'm wearing these pants, it's like impossible not to feel super snazzy in them. This is my Halloween day outfit. This is kind of what I would wear like the day of Halloween without being too dressed up. It honestly just kind of looks like I'm cosplaying a pumpkin, but is that a bad thing? Honestly, like, that's my advice for Halloween. If you don't want to like dress up, you still want to look festive, just pretend that you're cosplaying a pumpkin and you'll be fine. This is again another very spring dress paired with a long knit sleeve. And then I threw on these heels that I had on from earlier to tie in the orange tones. And I think it's a really cute and casual but festive look all at the same time. You know, I've decided I'm either cosplaying a pumpkin or my plant. You decide. I was super happy when people suggested this theme because if you know me, you know I love my rain boots. So the theme for this outfit is obviously jumping in puddles, and I just feel like a little duck in this outfit. I just feel really cute. Oh my gosh, wait. I have my little duck umbrella. I know I'm not supposed to open umbrellas like indoors, but also, isn't this just the cutest? And then if it is still raining while you're jumping in your puddles, you can throw on this really cute coat. And with this coat, I really like pulling out my sleeves a little bit longer so that it has the little yellow detail here. I think that splash of color just makes it really fun. And this coat just makes it a total rainy day outfit. And I got this coat from ThredUp, and the brand was Primark, and it was estimated to be $45. I got it for $17.99, and it honestly fits me really well. This is the final fall outfit I'm showing you guys today, and this one is for staying in and baking fall treats. And for this look, I am channeling major cottagecore vibes, and I am absolutely loving it. I put this overall dress over this knit turtleneck, and then I also layered another one of my grandma sweaters on top. And then for shoes, I have my favorite white heels with the same white frilly socks. And this one is just very my vibe. And honestly, I am not the biggest baker in the family. That award definitely goes to my brothers. But this outfit makes me want to bake, or at least like knit by the fire while they bake. And then I'll eat the desserts after. Alright, and those are all of the outfits for today. I really hope you guys liked them. And you guys should let me know which one of these outfits was your favorite, because I'm always really curious about it. I honestly had so much fun putting them together. And don't forget to check out ThredUp and use my code Allie for an extra 30% off your first purchase. And other than that, I will see you guys next week to continue our homecoming series. And I hope you guys have a good week. Bye!